Hello beauties, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I slick down my 4C hair. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I washed and braided my hair last night. As you can see, it has already dried. So one thing I don't love about my hair is that it's very thick. So when I comb it, it's very painful. Guys, when I tell you it's painful, I really mean it. It's very painful. And I've never passioned with my hair. I always use this comb because it's less painful when I use this comb. This is the same comb I use on my wigs. So I'm spraying some water because it's already dry, and the only way I can slick down my hair is by making it wet first and then applying gel. Guys, as you can see, it's very thick. I'm going to use this Eco Styler gel. It's actually my favorite natural hair gel. And then take a generous amount, section the hair before applying the gel. This is going to make work easier for you, especially if your hair is as thick as mine. I'm going to repeat the process. Just make sure the hair is wet and you take enough styler gel and then you brush it down. I decided to use the Good2Be glue just in case there are any flyaways and also to make the hair sleeker. So guys, a moment of silence for my baby hair. This other side is better. Guys, I was actually thinking of relaxing my baby hair, but I'll just have to work with this for now. I left it on for like 20 minutes when I was doing my makeup, and as you can see, the baby hair looks better. But this other side, guys, I think we'll just have to work with this because my baby hairs can't behave. I have two extensions, the kinky one and this straight one. But then I prefer the kinky one because it kind of mimics my natural hair, but you can use either. So these are the end results. I love the outcome. I love how sleek it is. But I can't have this hair on for like a week or two because I have hard time doing and managing my hair. So guys, if you know any product that can make my hair soft, kindly leave a link down below so I can go check it out because I really need it. I really needed it. I'm not patient with my natural hair. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.